Oh, it's a very nice one. Dang, that's a good fish. Wow. Holy smokes. It's hooked in a weird area too. Wow. Look at that fish, guys. Look at that thing. Let's see. 17 inches. We got a 17-inch fish. Oh, what is that fish? Wow, that is amazing. Oh, that little fish made that big of a boil. Oh my goodness. Well, it's not too little, but are you kidding me? I thought it was a pike. That big weed. Look at that, guys. Look at that. 13. Whoa, you go back. Thanks for biting. Alright, second fish of the day. We were out here for probably, I'd say, around 15 minutes. So, not bad. But anyways, we gotta catch another fish. There's another one. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Oh, that's a nice fish. Holy cow. Oh, it's a pike. I caught a pike, guys. First pike in my kayak. First pike. Okay, guys, I need to go to shore. This is crazy. First ever pike in my kayak. Oh my goodness, what do I do? You gotta be careful with these things. Look at the size of that pike. Oh my goodness. Uh-oh. These things right here have razor teeth. I need to go on the shore. Alright. And I don't have no pliers. Look at that pike right there. Northern pike. Beautiful spots on them too. Alright, let's let them go. Look at their teeth, guys. Cut right through that paddle tail. Right there. Right there. Cut right clean through that paddle tail. But luckily I have two more. My hands smell like pike. Oh, bro, what is this? Did I catch a big pike?
Why is this a muskie?
Wait, no way, it's a bass. Whoa! Oh my goodness, it's a fatty. It's a fatty. It's a fatty. Oh no, the poor thing got hooked in the eyeball. Look at the belly on that thing. Wow. Guys, look at the belly on that fish. Look at that thing. That is a brute. All right, let's let him go, guys. There he goes. That didn't make sense. What? Oh, dude, you made me miss a fish. Oh, got him. Oh, another pike. I caught another pike. Dude, I caught another pike. All right, it's all luck. All right, guys, look at that. Another slime ball. Look at that pike. He's a good one, too.